Hi, I'm Mike Kavney, Generator Product Leader for Steam Power. For later life cycle plant operators, the service option that can squeeze more life from your equipment is repairs. Repairs can provide alternative to replacement and upgrade options. They can help you sidestep more costly asset management, even more so for repairs that are performed on site, further reducing cycle time and costs. Repairs can be applied to various later life cycle scenarios. A final outage before retirement, typically 3 to 5 year operating window. Multiple remaining planned outages, typically a 5 to 15 year operating window, and for emergency forced outage situations. Being an energy transition partner means collaborating with you to find that ROI sweet spot between your service spend and operating demands.
My name is Lin Zhao. I'm the Senior Product Manager for the Steam Fossil Fleet. With aging equipment naturally comes wear and tear effects on various components within the steam turbine. Some of the damages typically include corrosion, erosion, joint leaks, rotor cracking, casing cracking, deformations, foreign object damage, or FOD. Some of the examples of repair solutions on the steam turbine rotor include welding to address corrosion and erosion, heat lathing and machining to address rotor bowing, welding and machining to address rotor cracking, and seal replacement to address damaged seals. As far as casing, we can conduct rerounding or balancing on casing deformation. We can conduct welding to address inner casing degradation, and we can conduct seal replacement to address stationary seal damage. GE Vernova can also supply parts and address any part damage on existing components. Conduct leading edge hardening and shielding on last stage bucket erosion, apply dressing and welding of the rotor to address blade erosion and damage, apply joint repairs and address leaks on any joint damage, and we can supply valve parts for damaged seals, valve seats, and valve components. Lastly, we can conduct high-speed balance and low-speed balance for any rotor balancing issues.
For your aging generator assets nearing later life cycle, GE Vernova has specialized repair options that can provide cost-effective limited life extension versus permanent long-term solutions. For example, rotors. There are a number of repair solutions to address rotor cracks that develop as the unit ages or result from an operating incident. This can include specialized machining to remove rotor tooth cracks and/or arc damage. For more extensive damage on the rotor shaft extension, we can rebuild them with a bolt-on or welded-on shaft extension from available forging inventory. For the stator winding, the later life cycle failure modes usually involve corrosion leaks leading to electrical insulation failure, thermal failure, or vibration issues. And we have customized repair options for sealing those leaks depending on location, size, and severity. And for cases with severe damage is found in the stator winding, we have repair options too. These include stripping and reinsulating of failed components on site, partial rewind with available spare bars, removal and or isolation of failed stator bars to allow continued operation at reduced capacity rating. We recently launched a program for rotating Alterex exciters where the customer can exchange their aging Alterex for a refurbished Alterex that has been acquired from a retired unit or returned to GE from a previous exchange. The benefit here is significant reduction in outage duration as compared to a major rebuild or rewind. The other example is generator rotors. GE Vernova concerts the available rotor assets in our retired installed base network that can be evaluated, sourced, and modified if necessary to fit your application. These types of solutions allow you to take a surgical approach to extend operating life, often for less cost or less cycle time.